Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to open the WebTrader on Metatrader 5. And for this, we have Google opened right here, and we search right now for Metatrader 5 WebTrader. And then you will find here this link. Then we click here on this link, and then we scroll down, and now we can click right here on Try Web Platform Futures. We click on that, and then right now what we need to do is select right here, and now we need to log in with our account. So you definitely created an account right here on Metatrader 5 or with another account, and now we need to log in right here with our details. And boom, there we are. We just logged in with our account, and right now, if you can see right here, you have here the chart on Metatrader 5, and this is the WebTrader. We have 100k balance, and now we can start trading right here. But this is how you can open the WebTrader right here on Metatrader 5. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.